Heavy traffic, sudden lane changes, construction sites, bad visibility. All these situations increase the amount of stress a driver faces in city traffic. For the new Focus, Ford offers the Low Speed Safety System, which actively assists the driver in critical traffic situations and will deploy full braking at speeds of up to 30 km per hour. This is especially helpful in rush hour traffic, when driving speeds rarely exceed 30 km per hour. How does this work? A LiDAR, light detection and ranging sensor, positioned next to the camera in the windscreen, monitors a range of around 10 meters in front of the vehicle. If the sensor detects that the driver is approaching the vehicle ahead too quickly, and that the distance is critically reducing without the driver taking action, the system will automatically apply full braking. At speed differences of up to 15 km per hour compared to the vehicle ahead, this will generally completely avoid collisions. Even if the system is unable to fully prevent a collision at higher speeds, it will reduce the severity of the impact, and therefore the effects of the accident. When the vehicle comes to a halt, a display in the instrument panel will indicate that the system autonomously applied the brakes. If necessary, the driver can choose to deactivate the system.